All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. Let me just turn off this damn light. Bright, well, bright on my face. But anyways, I do apologize. It look kind of dark. I kind of I work on the lighting. I don't know why it's that dark. I try my best to see how we can fix it, but that's how it is sometimes. Anyways, let's get straight to the meat of the matter. We're going to speak about Jamaica reggae boy, Aston Villa winger, Jamaica winger, Leon Bailey. So far this season, Leon Bailey ended the 2023-2024 Premier League, or like the 2023, the entirety of the 2023, on flying high. Big performances from Leon Bailey in some big games for Aston Villa. We won't touch on the reggae boy aspect. We're going to touch strictly on Aston Villa and his year so far. From my perspective, he's having a brilliant year. Injury free, top performances, week in, week out. I'm going to give you guys some metrics, not just metrics, but some stats which relates to his performances. So far this season, he has been one of the most prolific wingers in the EPL and one of the most highest goal contributors in the EPL so far this season. So it's looking good. It's looking really good for Leon Bailey. Let me just jump into the statistics. As it stands, in the Premier League, he has played a total of 18 games. I know they have surpassed 18 games now, but they have a total of 18 appearances. These are games that he has played in, and registering 11 goal contribution, people. So technically, only 7 games he didn't really do anything in. By technicalities, only 7 games. So that's good. That's very good. And if he continues on this, just 18 games, 11 goal contribution, he can hit 20 plus goal contribution by the end of the season. Maybe join close to 30. So far, 18 appearances, 6 goals, 5 assists in the Premier League. Other than that, he made only 2 other appearances. That would be in the EFL Cup, just one appearance in the EFL Cup, and 7 appearances in the Conference League, in which he's also firing. I'm registering 5 goal contribution, 3 goals and 2 assists. So in total, so far this year, for Premier League and other leagues that he's playing, for Aston Villa, he has a total of 9 goals, 7 assists in, that's what, 16 goal contribution in 26 games. That's really good, people. That's really good. And if you look in context, that means if you average it out, let's say we're gonna average out his goal contribution, or how often does he contribute something. In every 1.6 game, he's doing something. So his goal contribution is like 1.6. It's 1.6. So technically, every 1.5 game, he's doing something. He's either scoring or registering an assist. That's really good. That's extremely good, people. But over a 90 minutes period, that's phenomenal in my view. Anyways, not going to go too long on this one. Big up yourself, Leon Bailey. Continue to do the work. I wish you an injury-free season. You know, injury part of football still, but I probably a little something, but nothing serious. But I want you to keep on that momentum that you're going. He's in good form, and that's what we want to see from Leon Bailey. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Since you're here, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. MG Sports TV, people. We're out. Boom.